Agreement. I agree. That sounds good. Bet. Disagreement. I don't agree. I don't think so. Nah. Excitement. That's very exciting. That's awesome. That's fire. Surprise. I'm very surprised. I can't believe it. I'm shook. Saying yes. Yes or certainly. Sure. Yeah or yup. Saying no. I'm afraid not. I don't think so. Nope. Liking something. I like it. I'm into it. I rock with it. Not liking something. I don't like it. I'm not into it. It ain't for me. Understanding. I understand. I get it. Gotcha. Confusion. I don't understand. I'm confused. You lost me. Approval. That's very good. That's great. That's lit. Disapproval. I dislike that. I'm not a fan of that. That's trash. Acceptance. I would like that. Sure, I'll take it. I'm down. Rejection. I don't want that. I'll pass. I'm good. Encouragement. You can do it. You've got this. Kill it. Being busy. I am very busy. I'm tied up. I'm slammed. Being tired. I am very tired. I'm exhausted. I'm wiped. Saying something is easy. That is very easy. That's simple. Easy peasy. Saying something is difficult. That is very difficult. That's tough. That's brutal. Ending a conversation. I need to leave now. I've got to go. I'm out. Showing doubt. I don't believe it. I doubt it. That's cap. Saying something is amazing. That is amazing. That's incredible. That's insane. Final tip. Learn all three styles, but use them in the right situations.